Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to disable multi-factor authentication or MFA here in GoDaddy. All right. So first up, just go ahead and log into your GoDaddy account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the top right and click on your profile. Okay. Now in here, just click on account settings. Click on it and wait for the page to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on security. Okay, click on it. Once done, as you can see here in the right panel, you have your verification methods. Okay, also you have the enhanced security. Make sure that this one is disabled. Now go to the top and just click on edit. As you can see here, I have my SMS or phone number and Microsoft Authenticator linked. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on edit. Now, if you want to remove all, just click on delete, remove, and the other one as well. Just wait for it to refresh, edit, delete, remove. Okay, that's basically it. And once that's done, you're good to go. That's how you disable the multi-factor authentication here in GoDaddy. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.